my trangia type stove from a monster can, boiling a cup of water. Looks really good. Once you get the blooms, it blooms, it works very good. Blooms faster if it's a little smaller, a little not as high as this one, but all around it works very well. Try it again. Does not need a pot stand, it goes right on top. It's easy to make. Not my favorite of stoves, but just wanted to have one. Here's my Foster's can with a ring on the outside. Latches onto this groove here. Makes it very sturdy. You can see here it's boiling. Doesn't seem to get too hot. Boiling water and I'm holding it. Not bad. And it makes it very sturdy. You can see. It is very hot. Look at the steam. See the steam coming out of there. You can hear it. It's over 200 degrees and you can actually still touch it and hold on to it. That's with this outer ring from a cat food. It goes on the outside and it latches on to the inside of these rings here. Pound it in a little bit and you're good to go. Try it again. See the steam? And you grab it. Not a big deal. That's pretty cool. Purple lid on there.